Hey, beautiful people, it's Rakita and I'm back. It is day 40. I can't believe we are getting this far. I keep saying that, but I guess I need to believe it. But we are on day 40, and I have another way where you guys can get some more accounts reported on your credit report. So I'm going to show you guys how you guys can get free rent reporting, and then I'm going to show you a way where you actually pay to get your past 2 years of rent reported. You're going to have to pay that for that method, but still, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do it. Let's go and actually read what we have to do today for day 40. So, for day 40 in our workbooks, you can see right here for day 40, we're talking about rent reporting to build your credit score. And again, if we got 75 days of this, right? If you literally just take action on everything you see, if you know you got rent, you paying rent, sign up for it. Okay, it's a free method. Sign up for it because that's points that you guys can be missing. Okay, I don't want you guys to miss it. We got 75 days of this, you guys. Our goal is 180 points within the 75 days, so I need you guys to do this. It's free rent reporting, like free. So again, most landlords do not report your rent, but there's companies, there are third party companies that will report it. Now, I always like Rental Karma, and I have the code that you guys can use to get the $25 off. Rental Karma, I have seen people use them, so I always talked about that. So that is going to be a method. And so today I want you guys to check with your landlord to see if they can report it. If they don't report it already, then I want you guys to make sure that you're using one of these companies that I'm going to talk about. Okay. And again, sometimes they can backdate it up to 24 months, which is good. And then two is sometimes it's just a one-time payment that you guys are going to have to pay. Now, my 3-year-old is acting up, but again, our goal is to get this stuff done no matter what. And y'all know he been acting, he been doing his own thing for a few days. So I hope that you guys can clearly hear me. But let's get into everything. So the free method, we're gonna talk about Rental Karma, then I'll talk about the free method. So with Rental Karma, they're able to report your past rent. So you got to pay $75 to report your past rent. Plus, they have an $8.95 monthly membership fee. And they actually can report it very, very fast. So they can report in just 3 to 5 days. So this may be something that you guys are going to want to do. You can sign up for them. And this is what it's going to look like when you guys just click on this get started right here. Let me show you what it's going to look like. You guys will go ahead and click whatever language you're going to use, English or Spanish. And then you will see right here that it's $75 to report all of your past rent at your current rental. And then it is an $8.95 monthly membership. And then $25 to add a spouse or a roommate. And then $5 for the monthly membership for them. You can expedite this too. This is non-refundable, but you have to pay $25 to expedite it. They're going to report to TransUnion and Equifax. They have one-on-one mentoring, no down payment guidance, and then basically you're trying to do like what we're talking about now. We're trying to help you get your credit together so you could be able to purchase, basically. And they have a 90-day money back guarantee and reports 10 days or less. So this is one option for you. This is one that I always have seen. Okay, so this is why I tell you guys about this one. I always see this one out there, but there is a new sheriff in town. They kind of been doing it for a little while, but they do have a free option, and that one is Self. So Self can actually report not only just your rent, but also your cell phone bill, 100% free. So it's no credit card or no credit check required at all. They're reporting rent and they're reporting your phone for free. So you guys can get credit for your cell phone payments for free with Self. So if you guys have AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, Cricket, Boost Mobile, Spectrum Mobile, and more, what you guys want to do is you guys want to securely connect your bank account, the one that you use for your rent and your monthly payments. Find the rent and phone payments you want to build your credit with, and then they'll report those on time rent and phone payments for each month. And that's going to be for free. So you guys can go ahead, click right here and get started. And again, this is Self. Y'all remember we talked about Self yesterday when we talked about that credit builder loan. We talked about their secure credit card, how they have a credit card that's not secured anymore. This is the same company, they just offering more. Also, again, you can add your cell phone and utility payments to your TransUnion credit report for free. Now, I found that the utility payments can only be reported to TransUnion. They cannot report them to the other three bureaus. But I'm going to talk about another one that you guys can do in terms of just having things reported, because I'm not sure if I put it inside of our workbook about reporting other things, but I think I did. But just in case, I'm going to talk about it. We're going to flip through the workbook a little bit, a few pages, and then if I don't see it, then we're going to talk about it, okay? And then two, you're going to get credit up to 5 months, 5 payments for each month, and then payments reported to TransUnion typically takes up to 72 hours. So it's something that can happen very, very fast. So again, these are the free benefits that you guys are going to get. They're going to report your rent payments. They're going to report your bills. So your cell phone, your water, electricity, gas. You can actually track your credit score with Self. And then they have credit monitoring. So notifications when there's changes to your credit reports. So they're trying to come after Credit Karma. That's what I see, because now that I've been, talking about these companies for a while, I see a lot of changes going on with these companies. And if you guys don't have the workbook, I have the link down below where you guys can get the workbook that's telling y'all every day what y'all have to do when it comes down to this workbook here. Make sure you guys actually get the workbook. But Self is definitely coming for Credit Karma. You can see. Now, we already talked about how much of our credit is made of, what makes up our credit score, payment history. We already talked about all of that good stuff. We talked about that already. So we should already know that. Now, this is the part that I like. You guys can add up to 2 years of past payments. So you guys can bundle up to 24 months of payment. That includes rent, cell phones, and utilities. One straightforward payment of $49.95. Now, active subscription and eligibility required. So click right here to get started to find out more about that. Now, I did like that this was actually less money than a rental Karma. So I definitely wanted to bring this to y'all attention. Don't forget, y'all can still get the free one too. The one up here is free, so y'all don't necessarily have to pay for this one. This is going to be free. And we all should be paying our cell phone. And if you have rent, you should be paying rent anyway. So I definitely like it. Now, you guys can start building credit today. Get rent and phone reporting for free. Payments typically report to the bureaus within 72 hours. So definitely, I want you guys to check it out. I do like to read like the fine print that be down here, because that's how you learn more stuff. Payments may take up to 2 weeks or more to appear on your credit reports. Okay, that's good to know. A lot of people say they have a problem talking to Self, but here's their phone number, here's their hours. When I had to talk to them, I always got them on the phone. But just in case anybody say I have a problem, here's their phone number here. And then the rental trade line is reported to all three credit bureaus, which is good, while utility trade lines are only reported to TransUnion. So we can see that there. Positive identity verification is required. They need to verify your identity. And they said, based on the 2003 TransUnion study, customers saw a Vantage score, which is your Credit Karma score, increase of 15 points on average. Results may vary, but 15 points, y'all, that'll get us where we need to go. Again, I forget, we aiming for 60. That means you only needed 45 points. Well, we already did so much, y'all. I've been seeing so many positive results of people credit scores going up. I already even passed the 60s. I've been showing y'all some of the results. So for extra 15 points, that is great. This is only one thing. This is one day out of 75 days of stuff we are doing. One day. And this one's saying an average of 15 points. That's nice. You may not receive an improved credit score. We already know that. You may not. You may. We don't know. Not all. Let's go over. Not all lenders, including auto and mortgage lenders, use scores impacted by rent and utility payments. Not all bill payments may be eligible. Other factors, including activity with other creditors, may impact results. When they say other activity with other creditors, they talking about, hey, you got some late payments on your credit reports. That's the kind of activity. You got a new collection. Having that stuff going to impact what your results are going to be. Okay. And also, too, getting them late payments removed, getting them collections removed, charge-offs removed, that can impact your results. It's going to look like your results are even more, too. But that's good. So I definitely want you guys to check this out. The biggest thing that we had to do today, though, is go over our day 40. Now I do want to see about the utilities. Okay, no, we are. Okay, I am. Okay, look at me. I be on it, y'all. Day 41, we going over utility and we talking about phone. But y'all can see I already ahead of the game by showing y'all this one. And definitely good afternoon to you too. I'm definitely ahead of the game with even showing y'all this one. This is going to be nice. It's free. They report it for free. So if you guys have the rent reporting or you need that rent reporting, it's free. So definitely sign up for it. Again, average of 15 points. I can dig it. I like that. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments. And make sure you guys get your workbook down below. And whenever you guys are on my website, I am actively updating my sales page. So if you guys go to my website and click on sale, you guys will see what the sale is. And right now we have a sale on the course, which is only $97. Once you guys pay for the promotion for the course, you guys are automatically going to get a workbook for free. So I still got a lot. I still have the workbooks. I still have the planners that I'm mailing out, and then the extra waist trainers. I have a lot of waist trainers, but that thing helped me get my stuff together. So I love the waist trainers, but I have so many of them. So I'm giving those out too. So definitely always come here and go to the sales page. That's where you'll be able to see what you have to do to get whatever promotions I have. So right now I am doing promotions so that you guys can get the free Strongest 75 workbook. But definitely check that out. I'll see you guys in the next video. And you're very, very welcome. I hope that you're going to have a great night. I'm about to go run after this 3-year-old I have now. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.